In this video, we will create a new route using the Quick method. Click here to open the top menu button, then select the Create a New Route menu item. If you wish, you can provide a new name for the route that you are creating. Now we can select what type of route we wish to create. We'll choose a walking route. Toggling this button allows us to switch between quick and standard modes. We can slide the map so that our route will begin under the dot at the center of the screen. Let's set it to quick mode. Now, whenever we move the map and release our finger, a route will be calculated from the previous point to the new point, and displayed on the map. You will need an internet connection for these routing modes. Keep adding points until you have finished. If you wish to close the route, return to the start point and release. Now you can save the route, and upload it to Expedition 2.